Famous mathematicians. Aryabhatta, Indian mathematician famous for writing Aryabhatta and Aryasiddhanta. Aryabhatta's contribution include his work on providing an approximate value to pi. Likewise, he touched on the concept of sine, cosine and the place value system. In algebra, he summed series of squares and cubes and solved equations of the type ax minus by equal to c. Brahmagupta. One of the most significant input of Brahmagupta to mathematics was the introduction of zero to the number system, which stood for nothing. His work, the Brahmagupta Siddhanta, contained many mathematical findings written in verse form. He introduced the formula for cyclic quadrilaterals. He also gave the value of pi as square root 10 to be accurate and 3 as the practical value. Also, he introduced the concept of negative numbers. Srinivasa Ramanujan. Ramanujan helped to expand mathematical theory, particularly in continued fractions, infinite series, mathematical analysis, and number theory. 1729 is known as the Ramanujan number. He came up with infinite series for pi. Archimedes. Greatest mathematician of antiquity, Archimedes provided principles and methods used in mathematics today. He provided the exact numerical value of pi, developed a system for large numbers to be expressed, and the method of exertion. Euclid, father of geometry. The earliest known mathbook, Elements, is written by Greek mathematician Euclid. His mathematical system is known as Euclidean geometry. Pythagoras. Pythagoras is best known in mathematics for the Pythagorean theorem. The theorem says that in a right triangle, the squares of the hypotenuse equals the sum of the squares of the other two sides. Thales, father of science and Thales' theorem. He is considered as the first true mathematician. His deductive reasoning principles are applied in geometry, that is, product of Thales' theorem. Isaac Newton, famous for mathematical principles of natural philosophy. The book of Sir Isaac Newton, Mathematical Principles of Natural Philosophy, became the catalyst to understanding mechanics. He is also the person credited for the development of the binomial theorem. René Descartes. René Descartes was a French mathematician, philosopher, and writer. The Cartesian coordinate system in mathematics is named after René Descartes. He is the father of analytical geometry. Leonhard Euler. Euler introduced two numbers named after him. In calculus, approximately equal to 2.71828, and the Euler Mascheroni constant gamma, Euler's constant approximately equal to 0.57721. He also introduced the Euler's formula F plus V minus E equal to 2. Shakuntala Devi. Shakuntala Devi was an Indian writer and mental calculator, popularly known as human computer, a child prodigy. Her talent earned her a place in the 1982 edition of the Guinness Book of World Records.